Dear students, we'll discuss about allophones. 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 A kind of a basic term in linguistics, very important one. So what is allophones actually? It is a different and actual pronunciation or realization of a phoneme. When we say per, I'm writing slash p slash. When I say ter, I'm writing t into the two slashes. So that is the actual realization of that sound, per or ter. But at times, I'm calling per as for and ter as a ter as well. For example, pin pin, pin, tin thighs, thighs. So the spelling is same, but the pronunciation is rather different. The variant of the same phoneme is allophone. Let us further discuss. Allophones are a kind of a phoneme that changes its sound based on how a word is spelled. Allophones are phonetic variations, different pronunciations of the same phoneme. Using a different allophone does not change its meaning. It is important to be aware of what allophones and phonemes exist in other languages, as they can cause problems when learning the sound of English. Let's take one example over here. The sound k. When I'm saying sound k, what I have to write? Slash k slash. So k as in kite, 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 and k sound in sky, sky. When I'm writing kite, kite, I'm using the letter k, but while pronouncing that particular word, I'm saying k, kite, not kite. Kite is a Marathi Indian English, and kite is a proper British English. So, though I'm writing kite, k kite, I'm saying it as k. On the contrary, in sky, sky, the k sound is only k, not k. So the appearance of the letter is same, but the pronunciation is different. Fine. So this is the case of allophones. When I'm writing p, t, k in spelling pen, thin, kite, so the p sound is same, but can at times it can be used as a f, or the t sound, tin, tin, and thighs, thigh. So I'm saying th, not t. Not ta is not correct. Thighs is correct. Likewise, there are certain phonemes, sounds appear same, but those sounds have different pronunciation. So that difference is called as allophones. By heart the example of kite and sky. The K is same, but the pronunciation is different. Kite, sky, k and k. So this is the case of allophone. Fine. Hope it is cleared one. Any questions? Do let me know about it. Thank you.